I'm going to say something that a lot of people may not like, but most broke people think that money solves everything. And that's not true at all. It doesn't at all. I used to be one of them that thinks that money will solve everything. When you don't have money, it feels like money is the answer to all your problems. Literally. Feel like money is the answer to everything when you don't have that money. You think if I just make more, everything will fall in place. If I just make more money, I could do this, I can do that, everything will handle itself. I'm all good. But what I learned, money doesn't solve everything at all. It just solves money problems. That's what it solves. It solves money problems. When I didn't have money, my problems were simple, bro. Pay bills, survive, figure it out. Literally. That's all I had to do. Pay bills, survive, and just figure out everything else that falls with it. That's when I didn't have money. But when I started making more money, when I really started making more money, my problems didn't disappear. Those problems got fucking big. Like, it got bigger, bro, and that's the crazy part about it. When you started making more money, problems get bigger. You don't have those small problems that you had when you didn't have money. You start having bigger problems. Sorry, my cup just fell. But you start having bigger problems. And more decisions, more pressure, and more responsibilities that you have to deal with. That's when you start making money. So, money doesn't fix your mindset at all. It doesn't. Money do not fix your mindset. So if you're undisciplined when you're broke, you damn sure gonna be undisciplined when you start making money. And it's gonna show. Like, it's gonna show. Now you just have to make more, like, it just makes more ways for you to mess up in life when you have money. So if you're undisciplined when you broke, you're definitely gonna be undisciplined when you make that money. And it's gonna show it. Like, it's truly gonna show how undisciplined you are when you have money in your bank account. Because that money literally just gonna go out the fucking door because you're just gonna spend it on shit because you're not disciplined. Money doesn't fix your habits, bro. Bad habits don't disappear when you get paid at all. If you have bad habits when you're not making money, you're gonna have those bad habits plus more when you do make money. So, fix your habits before you start trying to make money. Fix yourself before you start making money. Like more money, big money. Because those habits is gonna get bigger when you start making money. Like, they are amplified a lot. Like spending, procrastination, lack of structure, it always get worse if you don't fix it. It gets worse. Money doesn't fix your problems with people. It doesn't. Money does not fix your problems with people. If you got issues with people now when you broke, you damn sure gonna have issues with them when you make money. You're gonna have bigger issues with them when you make money. They're gonna try to take you to court. They're gonna try to do all this other bullshit to get money from you at that point. Because you got money now, that's what they coming for. So if you got issues with people now, you definitely gonna have issues with those same people plus more when you start making money. Like, it gets crazier, bro. Like, it really gets crazy. Like, things get tested. People will test you all the time when you start making money. You would get tested. You have to keep that mindset that that's what they're trying to do. And I'm still learning this too. Like, because I get, if people try me, I can go there if I need to. It takes a bit, but I can definitely get there if I need to. So, all I'm saying is, make sure that you have that mindset together, bro. Money adds new problems all the time. Like I said in my other videos, money adds new problems. More money equals more decisions, where to invest, who to trust, how to grow. And if you're not ready, those decisions can cause you like boatloads of money because you're not ready to make those big decisions in your life. So make sure that you are like ready to have those decisions, ready to have those problems, because those problems are going to happen. When you start making more money, you have to start making more decisions. You got to know who to trust when you have that money, because some people might just be wanting to mess with you just because you got money, and that happens too. That's the crazy part. I seen it happen. That's how I know this thing. I seen it happen. So the truth is, money doesn't change your life. It reveals who you really are. It reveals your discipline. It shows your discipline, your mindset, your habits. Like money, it doesn't change your life at all. It literally makes it worse. It doesn't make it worse, but it like really changes a lot of things when you make more money. No bullshit. It really makes it harder for you. This is why chasing money alone is dangerous. If you're just chasing money and not chasing building yourself as a human, it's dangerous. You will have more issues. You will have a lot of problems. Because if you don't fix yourself first, money will expose everything you're doing wrong. Literally. Everything in your life that you're doing wrong, money will expose it. It might not be today. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be next week. But eventually in your life, it will expose what you're doing wrong if you're not fixing yourself in the process of making money. Like, you don't need more money first. You need to become a better person. You need to become a better you first. I'm working on that too. I'm working on becoming a better me. Because if you're not a better person, making more money, it's not going to fix none of that none of the issues that you have. It's not. So yeah, money can help. Like, don't get me wrong. Money can help you, but it's not the solution that people think money is. It's not. It's not the solution that people think money is. And I know that for a fact. I know that for a fact. Because if you're not ready, more money will fix more money will fix your life. It won't fix your life. More money won't fix your life. It will just show everything that's broken in it. And I'm gonna repeat that again because I said it wrong the first time because I'm reading off my notes. So sometimes when I'm reading, I kind of get my words mixed up. But I'm gonna say this one more time. Money can help you. No lie, money can help you. But it's not the solution that people think it is at all. It's not the solution that people think it is. Because if you're not ready, more money won't fix your life. More money will not fix your life. It will just show everything that's broken in it. You're broken and not healed. And a lot of us out here today is broken. Some of us don't know that we are broken. Some of us know that we are broken, but don't have the proper resources to get yourself fixed. And this is why I lean towards God, because a lot of us is broken. I lean towards God to help heal me, because yes, I'm broken in certain ways, and everybody that I know have some type of broken in them that needs to be fixed. It could be mentally, it could be physically, it could be financially, it could be emotionally. All of us is broken in some type of way. And you need to figure out what way that you're broken and figure out ways how to fix the brokenness. Look up resources to help you fix your brokenness. If you're trying to level up for real, not just financially, but mentally, hit subscribe. Subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be dropping a lot more content like this, plus vlogs in my life. I'm going to be dropping all these type of contents from now on, showing y'all these things, speaking to y'all, showing y'all ways to get your life better as I learn how to get my life better. I'm going to be dropping a lot of this content. So please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I truly appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Comment below how you're going to heal yourself. What steps you're going to take to heal yourself. For real, for real. We all in this together. That's how we're going to do it. Thank y'all for watching.